Hello, I'm Jeff Cavins, Director Emeritus of the Catechetical Institute at the Seminary of St. Paul, inviting you to an experience that can literally change your life. It is the Pillars program, an opportunity to go through the entire catechism in a 2-year period with other people who are seeking and learning just like you. You know, the times we're living in right now are confusing times. People are looking for an anchor. They're looking for things that do not change. And you know who doesn't change? Jesus Christ. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. In this 2-year pillar program, you're going to experience literally all that the church teaches. We're going to go through each pillar, 11 weeks each. You're going to be a part of a small group that's going to share what you're learning with one another. And you are also going to experience a transformation in your life. The Catechism has become kind of center stage in the last year or so in the Catholic Church. We're going to go deep into the Catechism and learn all about our faith. Now, there's some real advantages to this. Number one, it gives you a roadmap for living. Number two, you become acquainted with all of the teachings in the church and how they fit together and how it relates to Scripture. And number three, you're going to have a treasure chest to pass on to your children and your grandchildren. You're going to live for eternity, hopefully in heaven, and you can prepare for that here by just giving 2 years of your life to really learning the faith. Now, this coming class is going to be called, as all classes are called by a saint, St. Therese of Lisieux. It's going to take place at St. Patrick's in Edina. We're going to have satellite churches all around the Twin Cities. All you got to do to sign up is go to cistudent.com. And we're going to look forward to seeing you in the fall. I'm going to be joining a whole bunch of fantastic teachers who are going to share the faith with you. God bless you.